YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. The goal is to hit 500 subscribers by May 15th for a sneaker giveaway. If we don't hit that goal by May 15th, then the giveaway won't happen. We're right around the 460 range, so we can definitely do it. Make sure that you smash that like button and follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead to get a lot of information first. Now, let's get into this video today. So, this might be a buy what you like, since I guess this is one of the weirdest sneaker releases of the year in the recent memory to me anyways. But this might be a buy what you like because I guess it did sit and I was able to get it for less than retail. But I do think there's still, weirdly enough, like not necessarily a lot of hype behind the shoe, but a lot of interest behind the shoe. But you guys have seen the thumbnail by now, you've read the title, so you know what it is. Just got in today, and without further ado, let's just get into the unboxing. Alright, YouTube, so we got the box open, and man, oh man, first impressions, these things are tough. Now, let's just look at the box really quick. Got something a little different with the box, the whole Unite packaging. You got the same, or at least a similar packaging with the DMP6 in a different colorway. Got the red on this side of the box with the Jumpman in the middle of the red, not the middle of the box. It's in the Jumpman is in the middle of the red square, and then you got your little black elephant print cement pattern right there. Let's just read the label. We got an Air Jordan 3 Retro SE. The color is fire red, cement gray, and the retail price is $220. Really quick, not $220. The retail price is $200. Now, really quick, these sneakers came out right before All-Star Weekend, and then we got the special pair with the Shy on the back that came out during All-Star Weekend for $200. And I think if the Shy pair never came out or was never going to exist, these would have sold out immediately. But I think people look at these as the little brother now, since there is a Shy pair, which to me, I'm not from Chicago, so I don't care. I'm happy to have the Nike Air. But like I said, these retail for $200. Now, me personally, after seeing them sit, I was like, I'm going to just wait till I could get them for a good price. And recently, Finish Line had a 30% off deal, and then they added these to the 30% off, and I had a $20 gift card with my Finish Line account, so I was able to get these for $134 and some change after tax, which is really, really exciting. I feel like that is one of my biggest sneaker steals in recent memory. So, let's just open the box and then we'll get into the sneaker real quick, because there's one more thing I want to touch on. You open the box, nothing too special right away, except for on the paper, we do have a special Unite paper where it says Unite all the way around. Now remember, these came out before coronavirus the situation came out, and they were also supposed to come out with or around the same time as the DMP6s, which also have the Unite paper and similar packaging. Now, let's get into the sneakers. So just to start off with the left sneaker right here, we do get two other pairs of laces. I think I like how the black laces look. I'm not going to put in the red ones or the white ones, but you never know, things may change down the line. But I'm pretty sure I definitely like how they look with the black laces. But since the laces are on there, we're just going to look at the right shoe. And as a matter of fact, you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, you know what, it's alright for the video. It's not as bad as the Fire Red 5 was, but it is pretty choked up, and you will see, when you see the on-foot video, I will have them laced up the way that I'm going to wear them. But yeah, these are amazing in person. Now, really quick, I just want to do this quick comparison. So to do this quick comparison side by side, really quick, of the black Cement 3 and the red Cement 3. First of all, these are an 11.5 and these are a size 12. So if you see size differences, That's why. But just first thing that we noticed that everyone talks about right off of the jump is the height of the elephant print. On the newer pairs, we're getting the low cut elephant print, similar to the OG, and on the old pairs, we have the high cut elephant print. And then let's see on the back. I actually like the elephant print on the new pair better than the old pair because it's a lot thinner. The black lines in it is a lot thinner than what we get here. But we do have Nike Air on both of these. Once again, height is going to be different, a little different because this is half a size smaller. And then the best touch to me is the tongue. It makes the sneaker look sharper. You can't see that red cushioning behind it like you can on the 2018 pair. You get the sharper finish on the tongue where it's folded behind there. And that's something that's going to come to play with a shoe that comes out at the beginning of next month. Hopefully I can get my hands on them and I'll talk about that more. But that particular tongue design is actually really interesting to me for another shoe that's coming out later this year, but we'll look at that when we get there. Now, just like the Jordan 3 Black Cement where you get your regular size tag in the back of the tongue, you do get that for the red cements, which I haven't watched any review videos on these actually, and I actually thought it would say like Jordan or Air Jordan or something behind there, just because with the UNC3s we did get hardened sole behind there, but it is what it is and no one's going to see that while you're wearing it. Now, look at how vibrant this fire red is on here. Really good tumbled leather on the upper, then around the mud guard we have the smoother leather with the black stripe in the back, the black panel. Now if we just look at the color blocking, it is the exact same color blocking as far as the midsole is concerned, as far as the whole outsole is concerned, where the elephant pattern is. Obviously the cut height is different. Now if we look at the outsoles, we actually also have the exact same outsole pattern. Now obviously these are beat a lot more, I just got these in today, but we do have the exact same outsole pattern. You can see that this red is a little bit brighter than the old red, black cement red. I think they use a gym red on the 2018 black cements and they use a fire red on these. Now I personally like, if you're going to cover an upper in red, I like the fire red over the gym red. Let me see if I could do a comparison really quick just to compare the color reds. So just to compare the color reds, I grabbed these 12s right here. These came out in I think 2016, if I'm not mistaken. But you could see that the fire red is a brighter red than the gym red. These 12s are covered in the gym red. This one's covered in the fire red. You can see the difference. Let me find a way to hold them. You can see the difference in the color of the fire red versus the gym red. Gym red's a little darker. I like the brightness of the fire red for this in particular shoe. Really, I mean, it's a Jordan 3. Jordan 3s are clean. You can never go wrong with a Jordan 3. But I really love how they put a different spin on the black cements. You could, I guess, call them a reverse black cement, because everywhere that you have red on the black cement, on the red cements, you have black on the black cements, except for the midsole. Now, that's what's differentiating these from the DJ Khaled ones, is that the DJ Khaled does have the red midsole. And honestly, I like the color blocking on these better than the DJ Khaled ones. Now, a lot of you hype beasts are going to be like, you're bugging, you're tripping, da-da-da-da. I don't care about the hype. I just care about the sneaker. I really like this sneaker in hand. I've seen them on feet before a couple times out in public and be like, man, I really want those. But I just wanted to wait till I could get them for a good price, which I could. Super excited to have these in hand. Am I going to do an on foot for these? Absolutely. No icy bottoms. Don't got to worry about covering them. I am going to put a crease protector in here when they do get in the mail, but for an on foot, just one wear, I'm not really worried about creasing. So I'm about to throw the on foot at y'all right now. Alright, YouTube, so you guys got to see my on foot. As you can tell, I'm still not really sure how I'm gonna wear these. Am I gonna wear them with the Jumpman all the way out, exposed tongue like that, and the laces tied up behind, or am I gonna wear them like this with the laces out in front of the Jumpman? Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment. Which look better? But these are really dope. So excited to have these in hand Once again with the Nike Air on that ass. Usually with the Nike Air, I'm not too big of a stickler of it. Actually, with the Jumpman, I kind of like the Jumpman on non-OG colorways as a differentiator, even though this is a non-OG. But I think since it's kind of close to an OG as far as the black cement is concerned, it's okay to have the Nike Air back there. It actually puts the shoe together really, really well. Really excited to have the shoe in my collection. Once again, one of the more underrated sneakers of the year, in my opinion. Definitely going to be sitting in a pretty decent spot in my top 10, which is coming up tomorrow. But yeah, that is it for this video, man. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. The goal is to hit 500 subscribers by May 15th. Today is May 9th. Happy Mother's Day. But if we do not have 500 subscribers by May 15th, then the giveaway won't happen. So make sure you smash that like button, you share the video, you tell your friends, you smash that subscribe button. If you feel like it, if you feel up to it, donate to the channel. The Cash App is a Sneakerhead. And that is it for this video, man. And do not forget, it is your boy, the Anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.